Hello, bright and curious kids. Welcome back to our amazing world of knowledge. Today, we're diving into the buzzing world of honeybees. Get ready for an exciting adventure as we learn all about these incredible creatures. We're going to uncover the most fascinating facts about honeybees. Are you ready to be amazed? Let's get started. Honeybees are tiny superheroes of the natural world. They are hard-working insects that help plants grow by spreading pollen from flower to flower. It's like they have a secret power to make our world bloom with beautiful colors. Did you know that honeybees live in special homes called hives? These hives are like their very own mini-cities, with different rooms and hundreds of bees working together as a team. It's like they have their own bee-tropolis. The members of the hive are divided into three types. Queen. One queen runs the whole hive. Her job is to lay the eggs that will spawn the hive's next generation of bees. The queen also produces chemicals that guide the behavior of the other bees. Workers. These are all female and their roles are to forage for food, pollen and nectar from flowers, build and protect the hive, clean and circulate air by beating their wings. Workers are the only bees most people ever see flying around outside the hive. Drones. These are the male bees, and their purpose is to mate with the new queen. Several hundred live in each hive during the spring and summer. But come winter, when the hive goes into survival mode, the drones are kicked out. Honeybees are incredible pollinators. They help flowers grow by transferring pollen from the male parts to the female parts of the flower. This process helps plants make fruits, vegetables, and seeds. Without honeybees, we wouldn't have many of the foods we love. Honeybees are fantastic dancers. They communicate with each other by wiggling and shaking their bodies in a special dance called the bee dance. It's their unique way of saying, "Hey, I found some delicious nectar." Here's a sweet fact for you. Honeybees are master architects. They build incredible hexagonal honeycomb structures using wax that they produce themselves. These cells are used to store honey, pollen, and raise baby bees, known as larvae. Did you know that honeybees are the only insects that produce food eaten by humans? Yes, you heard it right. They make delicious honey using the nectar they collect from flowers. Yum! Honeybees are super important for our environment. They help pollinate not only crops but also wildflowers and plants. By doing so, they support biodiversity and help maintain healthy ecosystems. Here's a fascinating fact. Honeybees have been around for millions of years. They've seen the world change and have been buzzing around for a long, long time. They're like ancient guardians of nature. Honeybees are fab flyers. They fly at a speed of around 25 kilometers per hour and beat their wings 200 times per second. Each bee has 170 odorant receptors, which means they have one serious sense of smell. They use this to communicate within the hive and to recognize different types of flowers when looking for food. The average worker bee lives for just 5 to 6 weeks. During this time, she'll produce around 1/12 of a teaspoon of honey. The queen can live up to 5 years. She is busiest in the summer months, when she can lay up to 2,500 eggs a day. If the queen bee dies, workers will create a new queen by selecting a young larva, the newly hatched baby insects, and feeding it a special food called royal jelly. This enables the larva to develop into a fertile queen. Honeybees are not only honeymakers but also fantastic farmers. They help plants by pollinating them, which means they transfer pollen from the male parts of a flower to the female parts. This helps plants grow yummy fruits and vegetables. Sadly, over the past 15 years, colonies of bees have been disappearing, and the reason remains unknown. Referred to as colony collapse disorder, billions of honeybees across the world are leaving their hives, never to return. In some regions, up to 90% of bees have disappeared. What an amazing journey we had, buzzing through the world of bees. We learned about their hive, the dance they use to communicate, their crucial role in pollination, and the delicious honey they produce. Remember, it's important to respect and protect these remarkable creatures so they can continue to bring joy to our lives. Thank you for joining us today, Buzzing Bee Buddies. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, so you never miss an adventure. Until next time, Keep buzzing with curiosity and spreading kindness like our buzzing bee friends.